So guess what? Sometimes miracles happen. Look at this. What does that look like to you? To me, that looks like nature. To me, that looks like a sign. Go out in nature. So this is my mushroom powder tea, and the remnants of it left a beautiful miracle mark, a message, a sign to say, go out in nature. So miracles do happen, miracles do exist, if only you take the time to notice. They can be very subtle messages, but they are there, and they are very much real and beautiful. And this is a divine message to say, go out in nature. It will re-energize you. It will ground your emotions. And this is what you need. To me, that looks like a path, the ground, the trees, and the sun. Beautiful. So I will trust the message, and yes, I will go out in nature. And there we are. It's living proof, isn't it, that miracles do exist if only you take the time to notice them. Thank you for noticing. Thank you, nature, for connecting. Thank you, nature, for calling me, contacting me. Even when I'm not out in it, you find a way to speak to my soul. Thank you, Gaia. Beautiful, beautiful planet. This has massively inspired me to go out in nature tomorrow. Yep.